high-speed powered roller will help you make quick work of very large or multi-room painting projects. The innovative click-attach arm allows the Sidekick to work with any size or shape container from 1 to 5 gallons. The lightweight unit quickly attaches to the container so the pump can move with you throughout the project. The Sidekick's innovative peristaltic pump draws paint directly from the container for a continuous flow of paint to the roller. This delivers a smooth, even finish and means no trips to the paint tray, saving you time on all your painting projects. The roller handle accepts any standard extension pole to help you paint the high and hard-to-reach places in your home. The versatile Sidekick provides all the productivity and maneuverability required for your large painting project.